sound video. So for today's video, I'll be showing you some of the product I purchased on Aliexpress. So kung wala ka sa Pilipinas, there is a website na pwede kang bumili ng mga items na katulad ng sa Shopee or Lazada. So for today's video, yung ituturo ko sa inyo is pag-setup ng smart Wi-Fi camera or yung baby monitor. Okay? So, yun na nga guys. So, ito yung binili ko sa Aliexpress. So, this is operated by Wi-Fi. Okay, and then this is 360. So, umiikot siya ng 360. May motion detection. There is a cloud storage. So, for 1 month, free siya. And then, you can avail their service monthly or yearly. So, every time na mag-avail ka for the subscription, so, like say, 1 month, you can review the video for the whole month. So, meron siyang day and night option. And then, meron din siyang two-way communication or intercom. So, pwede mo kausapin kung sino yung malapit dun sa device using your phone with the use of the app. So, dahil smart Wi-Fi siya, so you have to download yung application, which is yung YCC 365. So, this one. Okay? And then, pag in-open mo siya, so, first is, kailangan mong gumawa ng account using an email. And then, pwede mo rin siyang, kung marami kang ganito, pwede mo siyang i-add ng i-add. So, like me, I have 3. So, meron akong 3 camera na nandito sa email na to. Okay? So, let's open the box. So, ang laman niya is the camera itself. So, ganito siya. Like that. And then, you have the manual. You have the wall adapter. You have the micro USB cord. And you have
a few moments later.
Anong tawag dito? You have the mounting gear. Okay, so yung mounting gear, ayan. I-screw mo lang siya, and then you have it's open. Yeah, so you have that. And then you also have this one. This one is for the reset button right here. So also may micro USB slot din siya just in case ayaw mong mag-avail ng subscription, so you can use micro USB. Ang ginagamit ko usually is 16 gigabytes. And then yung 16 kaya niyang mag-record ng 3 days. Or you can use 32 or 64. I think the most is 128. Kaso nga lang, feeling ko pag 128 hindi na siya gumagana. Pero you could try. Kung maganda siguro yung quality ng USB. I mean, ng micro USB. Okay, now, so, how to set this up? So, kailangan muna natin siyang isaksak. So, kailangan mo siyang isaksak and then go to the YCC app and then press mo lang itong plus. There. So, right now, dahil inon mo siya, nag-reset na siya. So, it's getting ready for setup. So, once na napindot mo na yung
Please
plus,
configure your camera by AP hotspot or scanning code.
okay, so press mo yung intelligent camera and press mo yung device adding by scanning the code. Okay, so click mo yan. And then ito yung lalabas. So, dahil na-on na natin yung device, so you have to press the reset button for, like, hold it for 5 seconds.
Reset success.
So, reset success. So, i-press mo to and then next. So, next one, tatanungin nyo sa'yo yung Wi-Fi connection mo. So, i-input mo lang. And then, lalabas na yung QR code. And then, ngayon, yan yung itatapat mo dun sa camera. So, this one, tatapat mo
Please
siya,
configure your camera by
tatapat
AP
mo siya dito,
hotspot
okay?
or scanning code.
And then, pag na-hear mo na yung 2 beep, i-press mo ngayon tong
So, beep or flashing light, okay? And then, hintayin mo na. So, yun na siya. Okay, so hintayin lang natin.
So, yun guys, nag-move ako sa baba kasi recommended nila na at least malapit ka dun sa router nung Wi-Fi para mas mabilis yung setup.
Please wait for internet connecting.
We came up with a plan. That's why I called you.
Internet
I
connected.
know you're capable.
Welcome to use cloud camera.
I'm the one asking you for help. I need you to go down to Mexico with a different identity, get into that prison, find out something, anything. Help me get my
And then,
daughter back.
kailangan nyo lang i-select yung device name or you can type it. So, ayan na siya.
It's in your hands, gentlemen.
Yan, ganyan. Yan. So, kung gusto mo siyang iikot, yan, ganyan mo lang. There. There. Then, kung gusto mo ibaba, like that. So, yun na. Meron ka ng Wi-Fi. And then, kung gusto mo mag-talk, ito lang press mo. I-hold mo. Then, magsalita ka. So, maririnig ka nung nasa other yung person na nandito sa camera. So, anywhere, as long as may connection ka sa internet, pwede mo siyang magamit and connected sa Wi-Fi yung camera. So, ayun na nga guys. Yung mahirap lang sa connection is, yung Wi-Fi mo, pag 5G siya, you're gonna have trouble connecting to the Wi-Fi. So, I suggest na you have to activate that 2.4G and then yun yung gamitin mong Wi-Fi connection. Otherwise, hindi siya mag-work. Okay, so, I'll just show you kung anong itsura niya. So, like this. Okay, so I have 4 cameras there. You see 1, 2, 3, 4. So, this one is the bedroom. This is the kitchen. This is sa bahay nila mama, sa outdoor. Diyan din yung video na pinost ko nung merong pumasok sa loob nung fence. And then, may ginawa sa pinto namin or may kinuha or something. I don't know. But, yan yung camera na gamit ko. Also, yung maganda dyan is, meron siyang motion detection. So, every time, yung camera mo, kung walang tao sa bahay, may ma-detection na movement, manonotify ka niya agad so you can check. And then also,
pwede mo rin,
so ito yung mga settings niya. So, you have also the alarm settings. So, yung alarm is, once na may na-detect siyang movement, dun sa, pin-reset mo na specific position dun sa camera, so mag-a-alarm siya. And then, you can use your storage. So, pag bago yung camera mo, free yung 1 month. And then, or you could use memory card. So, kung may memory card ka, you can use that one. So, usually, I use 32 gig or 16 gig nga kasi feeling ko mas kaya siyang i-handle ng camera compared mo sa 64 or 128. Maganda siya pag gusto niyo lang i-monitor yung baby nyo or yung mga anak nyo. Or say, you wanna monitor something outside your home para makita mo lang kung sino yung dumadaan, sino yung pumapasok, lumalabas, and stuff. Yun, kasi it's only 2 megapixels, so hindi niya kayang detect yung itsura talaga ng tao pag masyado nang malayo. So, kaya niyang detect when it's like 2 meters, 3 meters maybe. Like, even yung sa video na pinost ko before, this one, hindi mo masyadong makita yung mukha niya kasi gabi na at saka yun nga, hindi siya ganun ka liwanag sa sa pixel, hindi siya ganun kataas. Ayun lang. So again, ito yun. So you can, I think I search it on Lazada and Shopee, meron din sila, kaso pag nasa ibang bansa ka, so ang go-to website ko or store is Aliexpress. So, it's the same as Shopee's Lazada. Nakikita ko yung mga items, halos the same. Ang problem lang is yung shipping. And then, kung genuine or legit yung store. Because sometimes, they would sell stuff but they won't deliver. But the good thing is, sa Aliexpress, you can dispute if the items didn't arrive within the 90-day period, before 60 days, pero dahil sa pandemic and delayed lahat, so they made it to 90 days. And then, ayun. So, thank you guys for watching.